In this video, we'll take a look at Premiere Pro's scene detection feature, a real time saver if you want to reuse clips from a finished video but no longer have the original media. I've got a 1-minute video edited about 10 years ago, and I want Premiere to automatically detect and mark the original cut points. To get started, add your video to the timeline. Right-click the clip, choose Scene Edit Detection and select one of the three options. Apply a cut at each detected point, create a bin of subclips, add clip markers. In this tutorial, I'll show you all three. First, I'll select markers and subclips. As you can see, Premiere detects the edits with impressive accuracy. Now let's try the Apply Cut option. After a short analysis, the video is neatly split at every original cut point. Cycling through the clips, you can see how fast and reliable the feature is.
You know right away when a car is good, and you don't know until you drive it, and you really don't know until you drive it around a racetrack.
Scene detection is a simple but powerful way to repurpose old edits without starting from scratch.